Hi everyone, welcome to the Chiefs Arena. I am your host, The Great. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I bring you Kaizer Chiefs' latest transfer news. As we all know, the transfer window is currently closed, but Kaizer Chiefs are already making plans for next season. So let's get into it. So according to Soccer Laduma, Kaizer Chiefs are set to offer Chippa United 10 million plus Fiasco Ntwari for Stanley Nwabali, the 28-year-old Nigerian goalkeeper who has kept 5 clean sheets in 15 games this season, Nigeria's number one goalkeeper. I personally think this would be a great signing. I think if we want to compete, we should invest in a solid goalkeeper. And none of our current goalkeepers have proven themselves to be solid, to be reliable, and this is someone who has proven himself in Africa's most prestigious tournament. He was the second best goalkeeper in the AFCON after Ronwen Williams. So this would be a massive upgrade. And next we have Mfundo Chigazi, the 25-year-old winger from Royal AM, who are said to be sold. He has only played 6 games this season, provided 1 assist and yet to score. Royal AM asking price will be around 9 million. I'm a bit skeptical on this one. I am not sure about this signing. I personally think we should be investing in players who will take us to the next level. We should be signing players who are better than our current players. I look at Mfundo Chigazi. I have no questions on his abilities. I think he's a great player, But is he good enough for Kaizer Chiefs? I look at Mfundo Chigazi, I look at Mfundo Vilakazi. They play on the same position. I don't think Mfundo Chigazi is better than Mfundo Vilakazi. So that wouldn't be an upgrade. So I personally don't approve this signing. And lastly, we have Rowan Human, the 24-year-old Amazulu attacking midfielder who has played 18 games this season, scored 3 goals and provided 5 assists. Kaizer Chiefs were interested in 2023, but he ended up signing for Amazulu. I think this would be a great signing. I love Rowan Human. He is a great number 10 with an eye for a pass, very good in tight spaces. I think he will be a great addition. We already have Mduduzi Shabalala and Gaston Sereno in that number 10 position, and both of them can play wide. And I think competition will improve our players. Mduduzi Shabalala has been inconsistent this season. Gaston Sereno has missed a lot of games. So I think this would be a great addition. So I approve this one. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will be back for more.